Hey everyone, today's day 8. I had to get up a little early, really early. 3:30 right now. I don't know if you guys can see the clock. We're gonna be going to see our in-laws in St. Louis. I have a 11 a.m. flight. Also, I have clients from 6 o'clock till 10 o'clock. So I have to do my workout early. So I'm just gonna have a waffle and a tea, go work out and come back and eat my breakfast. So I don't miss my workout because it's important. So get up early if you have to. I can always sleep on the plane, but I might not be able to do the workout, so that's important. I had to get that done. All right. One pancake to start with, cup of tea, and then we'll eat more when I come back. I love getting up early and do my workout because, as you see, nobody's here. I got the whole gym to myself. This is not my regular gym. It's not Gold's. It's the apartment complex. Because Gold's gym doesn't open till like 5. But having access to that is a good thing. It's a privilege, and I'm very thankful for that. So today's workout is high intensity. I'm doing 10 sets of 20 reps, and I'm only doing 3 exercises. So I started with the hip thrust. I did 10 sets of 20. On the squats, I only did 25 in each side for the first 5 sets. I did 5 sets of 20. Now I'm gonna do another 5 sets of 20 with the 45 in each side. Not heavy, lightweight, but higher reps. And after that, I'm gonna do 10 sets of stiff leg deadlift with the Smith machine. And I think that should do the job. That's plenty of reps, and you can do the numbers. You can add the numbers. Got the whole gym. Nobody's here. It's a great feeling. Finished. Awesome workout. Just on time to see my clients. The good thing is doing virtual, so I don't have to take a shot or anything. I can just get on the phone and do it. But great workout. Keep hustling, guys. Keep hustling. We got 22 days to go. Big accomplishment. And progress is coming. I can see it. I'm gonna post some pictures pretty soon. All right. you earlier that we were traveling, but we were thankful that we came to our in-laws' house and they had everything that we need. So I made a Kodiak pancake and an egg white and the strawberry jam. I'm gonna do a lot of TRX workouts. If some of you guys don't have access to the gym, you should be able to do this. Best thing to do is just get a TRX, okay? So today's a happy hour. That will be bi and triceps and a little bit of abs. All right, stay tuned.
You know, when you travel, sometimes you don't get stuff with you. Like I forgot my protein shake, so I'm having another 12 eggs and one more pancake. But as you see, I'm not putting the jam. So I just want to cut down. Even too much fruit can be a lot of sugar. So that's how I'm having it. And then aperitif.